Hey guys, we're here again with our Magic Keyboard with Touch ID for our Mac Studio. I'm just gonna unbox it for you. So, let me see. Okay, so we got our cable here, braided cable again. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love the black. Because the white cables, oh my god, they're so easily dirty. And the keys too, I love it. The black keys, nice. It's very nice, guys. It's very nice. I love it. Very light, nice. So this is our Magic Keyboard. This is it, guys, and we got our cable here, braided black cable. It's very nice, guys. I love it. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.